Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced
dysfunction.
Let's break it down.
This word looks heavy, but it's actually smooth. The correct way is dysfunction. Start with dis, then funk, and end with shun. Together, dysfunction. Now let's practice it 3 times together. Ready? Dysfunction, dysfunction, dysfunction. If you said it right all 3 times, you just mastered a word that sounds complex but rolls off the tongue easily.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Dysfunction, 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 dysfunction.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.